Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how to get this very minimal, glowy summer makeup. It's really easy, really simple to do. It took me 20 minutes tops, and that's because I got distracted a few times. But if you guys want to see how to get this really easy, simple makeup look, then you are in the right place. Just keep watching.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. There's nothing like wine. Oh yeah. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. Nothing like wine. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm gone, bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around, got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you, I'm gonna let you go. Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Breaking free, finally, I paid my dues. Now you play the blues. Bottom line, you're out of time. Now you're gonna learn what it's like to lose. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control.
that was it. The finished look feels very nice, summery, dewy. I just have to say this, I'm sure I said it during the voiceover as well, but I love tinted moisturizers. They are my go-to in the summer months, so you guys will be seeing them quite a bit for the foreseeable future. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you guys have questions, comments, suggestions, concerns about this video or what you want to see in a future video from me, leave those things down below in the comments section. And as always, if you aren't already, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have the notification bell turned on. That way you guys get updated every time I upload a video, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you haven't already checked it out, the link for my second channel, my gaming channel, Kate Gaming, will be down there in the description box as well if you want to check that out. That channel will be uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!